Hello everyone, I'm Maya. Today I will be unboxing this Osmo Creative Starter Kit. And I will also show you how to use the Osmo Masterpiece app. This kit is recommended for ages 5 to 10. Now let's see what's inside.
What's inside the Creative Starter Kit? Osmo Creative Board, dry erase markers, microfiber eraser pouch, Osmo base, and reflector.
There are 3 games you can download and use: Newton, Monster, and Masterpiece. This is an interactive drawing tool that will transform your drawings to life with these games. Hands-on learning fun with Osmo. Put your iPad on the base and the reflector on top. You need to download the Masterpiece app. Take a picture, search the web, or use an image from their gallery. How about I make a Valentine's Day card? Oh, I like this. Okay. Once you're done, save it. And you can even share it with your family and friends. I hope you like this video. as much as I had fun making this Valentine's Day card. Bye! Thank you for watching!